Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert color table in Microsoft Word. So get it started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, I will show that in this video. Insert color table. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the table option. Then choose the table. Now going to the border menu option. Then click for the border and shading option. Then click for the color option. Now for click, then click for the enhance color. That's it. Then again change the color. Now going to the border option. Then click for the border and shading option. Now click for the color option. Then enhance color. Okay, that's it. Then I show insert color table in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.